Have you been in an accident or suffered an injury in New York and you are thinking about hiring a personal injury lawyer? Before you sign anything, there are some key questions you must ask to ensure you are making the right choice for your case. In this video, we will walk through the top questions that every client should ask a personal injury lawyer before hiring them. Trust me, knowing what to ask can save your time, money, and stress. Stay tuned because the right question could make all the difference in your case. Hi everyone, I am Alok and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I break down important legal topics in a way that's easy to understand. Today's video is all about how to hire the right personal injury lawyer in New York. When it comes to legal case, choosing the right lawyer is a huge decision and it can greatly affect the outcome of your case. So in this video, you will learn the key questions you should ask to access the lawyer experience and expertise, how to understand the lawyer's approach to your case and their communication style, questions to ask about fees and cost so you know what to expect financially, how to assess whether the lawyer is the right fit for your specific injury case, red flags to watch out for when hiring a personal injury lawyer. So let's jump right into it. First question about experience and expertise. So first of all, let's talk about experience. You want to make sure that your lawyer is qualified to handle your specific personal injury case. So here are the questions you should ask. First question is, how long have you been practicing personal injury law? You want to know how experienced the lawyer is in personal injury cases, especially in New York, where law can be specific and complex. A lawyer with years of experience is likely to have a deeper understanding of the legal system and how to navigate it effectively. What types of personal injury cases have been handled in the past? It's important to hire a lawyer with experience in the specific type of injury you have sustained, whether it's a car accident, slip and fall, or medical malpractice. Each case type has its own set of challenges and nuances. And the third question is, can you provide examples of cases similar to mine that you have successfully handled? Ask for concise example of cases they have won or settled that are similar to those. This can give you an idea of their track record and how they approach cases like those. And fourth question, what's your success rate in personal injury cases? We know lawyer can guarantee success. A good lawyer should be able to provide you with statistics or example of how many cases they have won versus lost. This gives you insight into their ability to handle cases effectively. And the second section, question about case strategy and communication. Now, let's dive into the strategy and communication side. You need a lawyer who not only knows the law but also know how to handle your case with the best approach. Here's what you should ask them. First question is, how to plan to approach my case? A good personal injury lawyer should be able to outline a clear plan for your case, including the key steps involved in the timeline for each stage. Understanding their approach will help you know what to expect and how proactive they will be. And second question, who will handle my case? Will I work directly with or a team? Some lawyers work with a team of paralegal associates and assistants. It's important to know who you will be communicating with and how involved the lawyer will be throughout the process. And third question, how will you keep me updated on the progress of my case? Clear and consistent communication is critical. Ask about how often you will receive updates on your case and in what format, whether it's phone calls, emails, or in-person meetings. And the fourth question, what is your ability to answer questions or concerns? Personal injury cases can be stressful and you may have questions as your case progresses. It's important to know how accessible your lawyer will be communication throughout the process. And the section third, question about fees and cost. Let's talk about money. Something that's often a concern for people hiring a lawyer. Understanding how fees work is crucial here. What you need to ask. First question, what is your fee structure? Most of professional injury lawyers work on agency fee basis, meaning they only get paid if you win or settle your case. However, you should clarify exactly what percentage they will take and what expenses are included in the fee. Second question, are there any upfront cost or hidden fee? Some lawyers may require you to pay for court filing fees, expert witness fees, or other costs upfront. Make sure you understand all potential costs before agreeing to anything. And third, do you charge for consultations? Many personal injury lawyers offer free consultation, but it's always best to ask upfront to avoid surprises. This will allow you to meet with the lawyer and assess whether they are a good fit without financial commitment. And fourth question, will you work on a contingency basis or require an hourly fee? While contingency fees are common, some lawyers may charge by the hour. It's essential to understand exactly how the lawyer charges for their services to avoid expected fees. And section 4 is assessing the fit. It's not just about qualification and fees. It's also about how comfortable you feel with the lawyer. This is someone who will be representing you during a challenging time. So it's important that you feel like they are a good fit for your needs. Here's what to consider. First, how do you feel about the lawyer's personality and communication style? Do they seem approachable and empathic? Are they actively listening to you and addressing your concern? Your lawyer should be someone you feel comfortable with, especially when discussing sensitive topics related to your industry. And second question is, are they genuinely interested in your case and well-being? A great personal injury lawyer will show interest in your not just the case but also in your person. You want a lawyer who cares about getting the best outcome, not just about winning for the sake of winning. And section 5 is a red flag to watch out for. So, most lawyers are professionals. There are red flags that you should watch out for. Here's a few warning signs to keep in mind. So, first is they promise a guaranteed outcome. No lawyer can guarantee the outcome of a case. It's a lawyer promises to win your case no matter what. It's a major and red flag. And second, they don't seem interested in your case or concern. If the lawyer doesn't ask your future about your injury or doesn't take the time to understand your needs, they may not be right fit. And third is, they have a poor reputation or history of disciplinary action. Check their record with the New York State Bar Association if they have a history of disciplinary action or client complaints. it's worth considering other options. So conclusion is to wrap things up, asking the right question and hiring a personal injury lawyer is critical to ensuring that you choose someone who will represent your best interest. Don't be afraid to dig deep and get clear answers about experience, case communication, and case strategy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. Have any other question about hiring a lawyer? Drop them into the comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, your legal journey starts with the right lawyer by your side.